this is absolutely beginner friendly. This is like your wear and go. Literally put it on your head, do a few bits and dash out of the door. Because baby, tell me why I'm looking like a yummy goodness. Hello, Jay here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're spotting this beautiful and stunning face for the first time, it's so good to have you here. Please do make it a like, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up before leaving. In today's video, we have another hair video, and today's hair is from Sally Hair. So it came in this beautiful pack here that has a lot of goodies that came alongside the hair. So it came in this pack, and we're just going to get into everything that came in it. Okay, so first off, let's open up this purse, and we have some hair clips. We also have a melting band. We have a storage bag, of course. We have a non-slip band for your wig, just in case you do not want to use glue or that sort of thing. We also have a tail comb, HD cap, and we also have an extra band. Now to the hair. So this is the hair, and it's just come in like this. Okay, so this is a 5x5 lace front wig. This 14 inches. I'm just going to take off the net for us to have a look. And this is what this wig is looking like. The curls are really bouncy, and we're going to get to play with it in this video. All right, so let's take off the clips and have a feel of what this hair looks like. So this is the inner part of the wig. It has combs on more like each side of the wig, in which you can use to secure your hair, and it also has another one at the back as well. It came with this strap, okay, and yeah, so this is where this strap comes to play. So we have an extra strap to secure our wig, and this strap right here is also adjustable, and it just goes on this part of the wig, just like that. Okay, so I think I've put it the other way here, so it should go like this. Good. So I'm going to do it on the other side. Yeah, and we have our band safe and secure. Lace has been pre-cut, pre-bleached. However, I'm going to be going in with some of my foundation to just make sure that it is to the color that I want, just a little bit. And I'm just going to take it over it. I should get a listing sun, because I feel like this part actually stresses me. Okay, just a little bit. Now that I have done that, I did not want to, do it too much, because again the lace is bleached and I have an HD wig cap on. So let us put it on and see exactly what we are working with. Okay. Wow, it is firm. Like, even without using the comb, it is absolutely firm on my head, and it is really glueless. Oh, okay. So this is kind of what I was going for in my previous video, but I mean, all right. So this is the hair, and the coils are really bouncy, like, see that? Okay, so we are going to put some heat on this hair to just, you know, define it and make sure that everywhere is looking really nice. So I'm going to go in with my hot comb. We are just going to, now, this is my first time of buying from Sally Hair. I did see a lot of hairs that I would have loved to get, but I chose to go with a short coily bouncy wig because I do not have any. This is pretty much just easy to style, just like I'm doing over here. All right, let's do some concentration. We're gonna style it and not say anything because I feel like I concentrate more when I am not talking when styling my hair. So yeah, let's do that. So here goes my Glueless 5x5 bouncy coily wig, which is 14 inches. And guys, look literally how many minutes it took me to actually just style this, and with no hassle as well. I think this is absolutely beginner friendly. This is like your wear and go, literally put it on your head, do a few bits and dash out of the door, because baby, tell me why I'm looking like a yummy goodness. This is absolutely stunning, and can you see how the coils are just bouncy? Like all I had to do was use my white tooth comb to, you know, just comb them out a little to give them a bit of volume. If you do not want to comb yours out, if you would rather for it not have volume, then you can just leave it out. But I think I am a volume person. I mean, you can tell from all my coily videos by now, I am a volume person because I feel like volume gives my face a bit of sass. It gives my face like that resting bitch face, like don't play, you know. Yeah, this wig is really nice. I cannot, just overemphasize, like, it literally says glueless, and that's exactly what it is doing. All right, let me give you guys a spin of this wig. Let me. And that's it, guys. This is the wig. Now I feel the need to quickly talk about this real quick because I did not get to use this in this video. So this is just like a non-slip, like a grip for your head slash wig. So all you need to do is just put it on your head before you go in with your wig, and literally when someone pulls your wig, like literally like this, it don't move. Or honestly, I do not feel like I need this because, I mean, it's not going anywhere, okay? It's not moving anywhere. It's literally my head size. It's literally glueless, and it's doing what it is supposed to do. So this we are going to be keeping because we are not going to be using it in this video. And guys, that's literally this wig for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.